Hello there, I'm Sue Johnson, Director of Wake Up and Lives Actors Studio, and we would like to invite you to register for our upcoming Master the Art of Acting workshops, September 22nd and September 29th, right here at the Greenmont Party Center. And for further information, please contact us at wakeup4664@aol.com or go to the website www.wakeupandlives.org, because these workshops from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. are designed to help you actors and folks who are other performing artists develop and or hone your acting craft. We have a whole series of topics to cover, and on Saturday, September 29th, Jean Zarzor, one of Cleveland's veteran actors of stage, screen, voiceover, and improv, will be our guest artist. So we hope you will register now, take advantage of the early registration, and then if you are involved in playwriting or screenwriting, on October 20th, Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. right here at the Greenmont Party Center, we will be presenting a playwrights workshop, Master the Art of Playwriting, with Michael Laurenti, Gary Webster, Vicki Williams, and Tom Raber. And Gary and Michael are two of our playwrights in residence. And if you are an experienced or an aspiring writer, you need to develop your skills, your craft, your techniques to tell a great story and develop a great character. Contact us soon. wakeup4664@aol.com or Wake Up and Lives, I'll get it right, .org. Thanks. See you soon.